Oh, I turned this into a compost bin, and it was hard as hell to get this thing. I used some kind of a saw, jigsaw, whatever. I've got both. Um, Basically, what I had to do, I was able to get in here and drill down. It's thicker in here. So anyways, I did a little hinge by just using some zip ties. And then I used one of these little ball things that you get when you get bungee cords. And then I took this piece of it's a piece of a pallet, and I cut up the chunky part, and I drilled some screws into it so that it's nice and secure. And then I drilled this only just partial way, so this closes down and goes like that. And in theory, I guess I should probably put something over these things. In theory, I should be able to put some free wood chips in there, and then my food scraps, and then cover it with more wood chips, and maybe punch a few holes in there. But it should be easy enough to just kind of lay it on its back and roll it around. So that's kind of the idea.